How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Bean, back with another automotive video. Just kidding. Today's actually going to be something a little bit into my world. Like I said, I wanted to bring something a little bit different to this channel. Instead of just being straight DIYs and, and what could fix this or what has been problems with this. I wanted to do a little bit of both, a little bit of aspects of different things. And so I'm actually bringing out a car show for our local, store here that I work at. And, I think you guys would enjoy it a lot. And of course, if you guys live around the area and you guys recognize the car show, we had this one, as of this recording, it was on Saturday, May 13th. And we will have another one in Camas, Utah, July 22nd. So I think you guys will be excited for that. I know I will be. And yeah, let's bring you guys along for the ride in 3, 2, 1.
Awards today. We have 10 awards. Mayor's Choice, Best of Show.
Good about you?
Choice. All these are making their choices today. We'll give the awards out for round 2. In Utah. Want to find out about the conference show? It benefits Angel's Hands, where you have flyers in the rack. Do what the cop says. Know what cop is it? How in the world can I keep my secret? The time, the cruising time right here, talking with Carquest and taking up Valley Hardware. Hey, you see we have local line for running for the state on the highway patrol.
And this is what I love to do. It's probably one of my favorites, just because of the fact that the wood accents to it, and then just the overall look of it. Both of these are one of my favorites. Plus, it's a Chevy, but that's for another day. Good old Carquest, of course, is sponsoring, which this is one we do every year. Monster truck. I can't get up that high. It's gonna be a bitch to get up that high. Matson made. And this is one of our actual employees brought in his car. Pretty nice little ride. Good old Velos. What I like about his is that he kept all the original stuff to it, so you don't really, you know, there's restoration to it, but he kept a lot of the original look to it. And the only thing I don't like is, of course, there's an interstate battery in there, but hey, we can't convince them all. But it's a pretty good day, pretty fun day. So, how you doing?
What is on this? What is this? Oh my hell, you're GoPro.
Hell yeah, I am. Put on the footage on the top of it, and I was like, I don't even reach.
You still registered?
All right, so I gotta make manager's choice today. We'll see how that goes.
Show's coming up June 22nd.
I'm thinking.
June 24th, and it's going to be right in Heber City Park.
Didn't even really pay attention to these ones down here today. I think these guys will come in as time's gone. But what's up?
What are you doing? Are you camcording?
Yeah. There's a reason I like this, you know, event so much. It's, you know, this is one of the primary reasons, really. But now I've made my manager's choice. Went with a 1929 Ford. We'll go from there. See you guys later. How are you?
All right, you.
Good. I think this one was just one. Yep. So I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys now that we are kind of away from the car show. You know, I just want to say thanks, you know, for watching, first off. But second, you know, what I kind of expect time frame wise over the next couple of weeks. Right now I placed an order for some shocks, so if the place that's going to let me replace them, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to do those myself, but if I do, you guys will get to see that video. If not, I'll let this shop, you know, ask the shop if I can record inside their place, and we'll be using their equipment and maybe getting some of their help just to make sure I do everything right as I switch over to these new shocks, better shocks and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys continue to enjoy, and I appreciate all the support, all the love, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.